Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing a pretty common, but easily fixable iPhone issue, the dreaded black and white screen. If your iPhone suddenly looks like a vintage movie, don't panic. We're here to show you how to fix it in this easy guide. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks. We're here to help you get the most out of your device. Okay, so your iPhone's stuck in grayscale. What happened? Well, most likely, you accidentally turned on color filters in your accessibility settings. It's surprisingly easy to do. So, let's get right to fixing it. Here are the steps. Step 1. Open the Settings app. This is your go-to place for all iPhone adjustments. Look for the gray gear icon. Step 2. Scroll down to Accessibility. You'll find it usually somewhere in the middle of the Settings menu. Step 3. Tap on Display and Text Size. This section controls various visual settings. Step 4. Look for color filters and tap it. This is where the culprit usually hides. Step 5. Toggle color filters to off. If it's green, it's on. Tap the switch to turn it gray. And that's it. Your iPhone screen should now be back to its vibrant, colorful self. If color filters wasn't the problem, although highly unlikely, here's a quick troubleshooting tip. Sometimes, a simple restart can work wonders. Try turning your iPhone off and then back on again. This can resolve temporary software glitches. If your phone is still black and white after restarting and disabling color filters, it's possible there might be a deeper software issue. Consider updating to the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. Hopefully, this guide has helped you restore the colors to your iPhone screen. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment down below. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Rome tips. See you in the next video.